What's up everybody, Brian here with Attention to Details in Chesterton, your paint protection film specialist. First I'm going to show you this one because it's super cool to me. This is a 2011 Lexus ES 350 with only 3,000 miles on it. The guy bought it, I think it was around 1,000. He's out of Michigan. So anyway, we're doing a lot of PPF because he wants to protect it. He loves the car. So we're doing a full frontal with the Ultimate Plus Fusion. A-pillars, roof line, mirrors, doing a full xpel XR black window tint, 20% around. We're doing all 4 doors, the rocker kit, and then some back pieces here with PPF and a few other little things. But this car is, for 2011, it's pretty much brand new. But the thing is this absolutely beautiful car. So he's doing the right thing and getting it protected the right way. Then over here we have, I'm in love with this car. I'm not a big Beamer guy, but this is a 2024, I always mess this up, Kenny.
M240i.
M240i. Sorry about that, guys. So what we've done to this car, it's all finished now, except for one more stage. Full frontal, xpel Ultimate Plus Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating. Then we did the full rocker kit, the mirrors, and Jose knocked us out with the window tint XR black. 20% all the way around. It pops with the white color, but this thing is absolutely stunning car. I really like it. And we also put on a custom spoiler for him as well in the back there. Can you maybe give a good little shot of that real quick? So this car didn't come with it, but BMW made it, so the guy got it, and he got it all installed there, so it came out excellent. But yeah, really cool car. This one here is a 2024 Tesla Model Y. We've got the full frontal on it. Jay's got one more piece on the bottom bumper to do. Mirrors, and then we did the rocker kit on this as well. And then Jose knocked us out with the XR black window film, ceramic, 20% all the way around, overlaid on the back so it made it a little bit darker what they wanted. And now he's protected with UV rays and heat reduction into the car. Then over here we have a 2024 Corvette Stingray. We've done a lot of stuff to this vehicle. We got a few more things left. Full frontal on this, xpel Ultimate Plus Fusion. Doors were done. Rockers, rear hips, mirrors, the complete A-pillar kit. But down on the bottom here, these come red. So this is our xpel black PPF. So we blacked out these little wings to give him that two-tone look that he was after. And then it's going to be rims off, ceramic coat rims and calipers. The only way to do them is off the car. And then a ceramic coat on the remaining probably 20% of the car. We're doing the xpel 8-year ceramic coating on that as well. This car will be leaving this week. This one will be leaving. And that one will be leaving as well. And I'm going to take you outside here just real quick. What's going on here. This one was just dropped off last night. This is a 2024 Model Y as well. We're doing a full frontal on it. Needs a bath and decon, but we're doing a full frontal on this with rockers, full tint on this as well. This car will be started sometime today or tomorrow morning. Then we have this beautiful, sorry about the parking lot. We've been here early this morning and some guys was hitting a couple washes out here. This is a 2024 C8 Z51. And we've done a lot of work to this. So we got a full custom spoiler on the front, which we'll video shoot here later. It's just crappy right now with the water out front there. But bumper off, the rear bumper off. Jose done all this. Custom carbon fiber spoiler. Custom wings on the side here of your rocker panel kit. And we also done these door inserts. You have to remove the door panels to get all this stuff off. Then we paint protect, did the PPF on the full frontal with the rockers, and there's a few other pieces, inside screen, and then this car is getting ceramic coated. This will be washed. Everything is cured up on it now. Then we got to wash it, and then it will be ceramic coated, and this will be leaving, I believe, sometime Friday. And that's what we got out here right now, but we got a lot more vehicles coming, some pretty cool stuff, so stay tuned. Thanks for everybody, your business. We're getting out of Michigan, Chicago, the whole 9 yards. We are working on a really cool G-Wagon, a new one, so that should be here next week. We're going to go over it with the customer, but he's dropping off another car. We also got, that'll be here today, is a BMW M8 for a bunch of PPF work and a bunch of other really cool stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, share these videos, please. If you're looking to get PPF, we're this place to come. No matter where you go, I recommend you go to the shop and check out the work, and then come down to us. Even if you don't use us, look at the work. This is what we specialize in: ceramic coatings, window tint, and PPF. We get it on right and make your car look the best it can and protect it. So give us a call, 219-628-0288. For now, love and happiness. Peace.